I'm Kristen, your online sales specialist for Pulte, Colorado, and today I'm out in the scenic rolling hills of Elizabeth at our beautiful community in Independence to showcase the amazing Manzanita plan. And don't forget, with Pulte, there's the option to personalize from the ground up when you purchase one of our dirt lots. Some favorited personalization options include finished basements or visiting our design center to select your interior finishes. As you approach the home, you're welcomed by a spacious front porch, an ideal spot to relax and unwind. Step inside and the foyer opens into a generous den, perfect for home office or quiet retreat. The heart of the home is the chef-inspired kitchen, featuring a gas cooktop and a seamless flow into the cafe and gathering room. A cozy fireplace adds warmth and charm, making it the perfect space for entertaining or relaxing evenings in. A large sliding glass door connects the indoors to the outdoor covered deck, creating a perfect setup for indoor-outdoor living. Tucked away behind the main living areas are two secondary bedrooms that share a full bath, great for guests or family. Meanwhile, the private owner's suite is located at the back of the home and features a spacious walk-in closet, dual sinks, and a beautifully framed-in shower. Interested in viewing this property? Visit pulte.com/independence or give us a call at 720-633-9192. Thanks so much.